What's up, guys? We got a fun one today. Check this thing out. We got Chad's GTR we're doing some work on. This thing is sweet. Endless brakes, BBS wheels. Nice.
I was gonna slide under it and just look.
So doing some cooling system maintenance for them, changing the radiator, doing a radiator flush, thermostat, and then the front axles. Some of the boots are slinging grease, so we're gonna get the axles out, get the boots replaced, get the joints repacked and everything, and get going. This will be fun.
Safety squints, engage. I was able to check out the car, and
There's no oil in this.
so you really wanted to void the warranty? Yes, we're all about voiding the warranty. Hey guys, Jesse with Voided Warranties. On today's episode of working on everything in the driveway, Bryant's pile of hatch has a check engine light on. I'm going to diag that real fast. Bryant and Devin just went to pick up Chad's GTR. We're doing some cooling system work and rebuilding some axles on it, front axles on it today. Might put the heads back on the LS Turbo Datsun pickup. And we also have this Toyota Camry that needs some suspension work. God knows what else. We got to test drive it and get it on point for Brandon. Apparently it's got some funky noises going on in the front end. So we get that in the driveway, get working on the hatchback real quick, and then Bryant and Devin should be right back with Chad's GTR, and we'll get going on that as well. We could not find our little 2-pin connector, so I just grabbed a cotter pin. Get this done quick, and it would appear as if we are still throwing code 7, which is throttle position sensor. So we'll have to take a look at that, see if it's we just changed it, maybe it's come loose, or it is just an auto zone one. There's a good chance it might just be junk. So we will grab the meter and diag what the calibration looks like and go from there. I hopped in the Camry to move it. Got one click out of the key and realized it probably has a loose battery terminal. So came out here, popped the hood. This one's nice and tight. Positive is not.
A few moments later.
Working on Brandon's Camry. This fender and bumper area is my favorite. Compliance bushings are not looking the greatest. Spring isolators are kind of squishing out the sides of the coil springs, as well as whatever's going on here. It's got a broken engine mount. We found that the #1 coil pack was actually bad.
Alright guys, didn't do a whole lot of filming on this thing, but we got this radiator swapped out. Put his toilet radiator in, his new radiator brackets. Replaced the thermostat with a Nismo thermostat for him. Replaced CV axle boots. The outers were slinging really bad. I went ahead and cleaned the inside of the barrels on the wheels for him as well. Let it figure run. Broke the system again. It's kind of a cool gauge on the radiator. Well, I'll tell you, this thing is pretty sweet. That's pretty much it for the GTR. Hopefully we can get to work on this thing a lot more. We can get Chad to find some more stuff for us to do to it. This Toyota Camry that we were working on, waiting on the customer to figure out what he wants to do. This thing's interesting. Wouldn't one strap have been enough? But this thing needs a list of things. It needs control arms and a rack and pinion, ball joints, struts are completely blown, the door handle's broken, needs an ignition coil. Like, this thing is a pile of crap. So he doesn't want to put much money into it because he's just going to end up selling it. So I don't know what exactly he's wanting to do, but yeah, hopefully we get some more fun content, get to work on this thing. Yeah. So as soon as we get some more content, we'll get another video up. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, the little bell, you know how all that works.